Das Futur I, the future tense. It is used for the future tense, for example, for prognosis. Es wird gleich regnen. It's going to rain soon. For plan. Ich werde nächstes Jahr heiraten. I will marry next year. For promise. Ich werde das nie wieder tun. I will not do this again. Or for a strong request. Du wirst es jetzt sofort zurückgeben. You will give me this back immediately. These are common uses, but if you ask me, the most common use for the future is that of an assumption. Let's say you have a date with Klaus. Klaus not here. So you say, Klaus ist nicht da, and you're making the assumption, no, he might be stuck in a traffic jam. So, wird wohl noch im Stau stecken. And you see, wird stecken, a form of werden plus the infinitive, which creates the future one. You might have figured that out already. Plus the word wohl. Wohl is emphasizing the assumption. You don't have to use wohl, but if you want to clarify that you are assuming, this is really helpful. So wohl is after wird here, and you should put it there, and this is actually it. There's a few exercises on identifying what werden plus infinitive is expressing, so go through them and you will be clear about the future tense. One thing I forgot, I'm sorry. Most of the time, when we want to talk about the future or we intend to do something, we use the present tense. Yeah, for example, you want to go to the cinema tomorrow, you say, ich gehe morgen ins Kino. I go tomorrow to the cinema. So, this is the main use, or this is what we use mainly to express our plans in the near future. Just that you know. Okay, this is it. Do the exercises and become fluent.